Everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our sweet adventures.
Hello.
Today we're going to be making
Lasagna roll ups.
Roll ups, yep. All right, let's get at it.
All right, let's get started. So we have the water for the lasagna noodles. I believe it's 6 lasagna noodles that we're doing. You can have more, but that's all I had on hand and didn't realize it. So then we've got the ground beef, mozzarella cheese, Colby Jack, and then there's 2 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, pink Himalayan salt, and then I'm going to do about a half a cup of cottage cheese. And we're going to go ahead and get the hamburger browned up and the noodles cooked. Okay, the water's starting to boil for the lasagna noodles, and the hamburger's getting pretty close to being all browned. And I said that the Philadelphia cream cheese, I put another 1.5 ounces, and we're going to put it in with the cottage cheese, and we're going to blend that all up. Now, this is a new recipe, so it was kind of trial and error, I guess. And if you have some extra of this, you can always use it on, you can always use it on, I'd put it even on a bagel. Might sound icky to some people, but you can figure something else out to make with it. So just a few more minutes and the hamburger should be done, noodles should be done, and we'll start the assembly. All right, I have 9 lasagna noodles. So we're going to go ahead and get those stuck in here, get them to boiling. It takes about 12 minutes, so we need to get them going. And while those are boiling, got to leave them whole like that because we got to roll them up with the hamburger, cottage cheese. Now, we do need to put just a small layer of hamburger on the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's just, I think, so that it doesn't, the noodles don't, stick to the
Pan.
Yeah, thank you. There's goes one of those senior moments again. So, just a little, okay, I think that's about it. And this is looking good, really good. And then once the noodles are done, we'll let them cool down a little bit because we gotta we gotta put some hamburger in there, the cottage cheese in there, and roll them up, put them here in this pan, and then we will top it off with cheese. So, step 3 next. Okay, we are ready to put this together. So we got our cottage cheese and our cream cheese. We're just going to spread some of this on there. And we will be putting it in the oven for about 20 minutes and at 350 degrees. So I'm just going to do a couple of these. And looks like it's going to turn out good. Like that. And I'm just going to take my fingers there and do this. All right, now we got nine lasagna noodles, so all right, let's see how these roll up. This was my biggest, like going, is it going to work? But it should. Very carefully. I might have a little bit too much meat. And I'm just gonna make sure that the seam side is down in the 9 by 9 pan. And it looks like I'm gonna probably have to do 2 9 by 9 pans.
Yeah.
I thought it might fit in one, but I don't think so, unless we can get them rolled. You know what? And as you go along, if you've never made made a recipe before, you learn from it and you can perfect it the next time. So that is what I will be doing for sure, because you're just only going to get like 4 in here.
Okay.
So what we'll do is finish it up, put it in 2 9 by 9 pans, and
Get in the oven.
put it in the oven. All right, here's the finishing touches. So we've got the cottage cheese and Philadelphia cream cheese extra. Gonna dab some on top of these. And I'm only making the 6, I decided, because really there wasn't really enough hamburger to do 3 more. Thought that would be enough, but that was about a pound and a half, maybe, something like that. So, all right, I got some of that. Let's take a little from here. All right, that way. Now I'm just gonna crumble on top. And then we can't forget the cheese. I'm going to wash my hands and get to that. So I'm excited to try these, and we'll be doing the taste test after they're done. And we got the Colby Jack shredded. You can use any cheese you like, but you have to use mozzarella, because mozzarella is one of the cheeses. This is, you know, a different version of how to make lasagna, actually. I mean, when I usually make lasagna, it's got, you know, the red sauce and all that in it. But I do put cottage cheese in my lasagna. A lot of people don't like that, but my family loves it. They love my lasagna. And maybe someday we'll make a video of our lasagna. All right, we got some Colby Jack. Finishing touches. And you know us, we like cheese, so here we go. All right, now, doesn't that look yummy? All right. Now, we'll just go ahead and put it in the oven. It's already 350. And I'm going to go, like I said, I'm not real sure. I'm gonna go for 25 minutes. I'm gonna do the timer up here though. I like this one better. And start. We'll be back.
Okay, it is done. Looks really good. Lots of cheese on there. So now the taste test. Okay, we're ready for the taste test. We'll keep on the fork here. Real good. I think this one here, I think I'm going to go with a 4 on this one, 4 out of 5. Really good. Like I say, saved the 5s for perfect, but it's really good, so that's what I'm going with.
Well, I'm gonna say the same.
Okay.
It is really good, surprisingly. I don't know why I'm surprised by it, but easy, really.
Yeah.
You know,
Yep.
but very flavorful.
Yep.
You can add whatever you want to add. I don't know if I would add anything else to
I
it.
don't know.
It's just really creamy, kind of rich
I might try a little hot sauce on it or something too.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Something different.
yeah,
Yeah, so this one's right up there. Right
yeah,
up there.
yep. I like it a lot.
Okay. All right. Well,
So, let us know where you're watching from. Leave a comment, and then remember to like, share, and subscribe.
that helps out. So we'll keep doing these.
Yep.
All right. See you next time.
Bye.